Are you someone who loves animals? Whether it's a dog, a cat, a guinea pig, or a hamster, just the feeling of being around pets makes you happy and gives you peace of mind. Well, what if you're told that you could be making up to $1,000 a month just for spending time with these amazing four-legged creatures? But John, I'm not allowed to keep pets in the house. Well, don't even worry about that. You're not getting paid to play with your own pet. Instead, your job is to keep other people's pets happy. Cutting straight to the good stuff, in today's video, we'll be learning about the Rover app and how you can make money with it. But first, what is Rover and why does it pay to play with pets? So, in the most simple of words, Rover is a pet service company that bridges its vast network of 150,000 sitters to pet owners and allows for the exchange of services between them. These services include, number 1, dog walking. Owners who are too busy at work or other matters will pay to have their dogs walked and exercised, keeping them happy and healthy. Regular walks are crucial as they not only regulate physical health, but stimulates their minds as well. Number 2, house sitting. No, don't worry, you're not sneaking the pet into your apartment or your parents' house. Instead, you'll be staying at the owner's place to look after both their house and the pet while they're gone. Number 3, boarding. If your landlord allows you to, you can offer boarding services as well. For this, you'll need to keep the pet at your house and properly maintain its grooming, feeding, playtime, and rest. And if the owners have any other specific instructions, they'll let you know beforehand. Number 4, drop-in visits. Similar to the concept of house sitting, clients who are too busy at work or can't make it home for some reason will have a sitter make drop-in visits. You'll check in on the pet, let it out to potty, have a quick playtime, provide water if the pet is thirsty, and then leave at the 30-minute mark. Okay, so how do you get started with Rover? Signing up for the platform is pretty straightforward. To begin, go to Rover's official website, click Become a Sitter, and get started. You can choose to sign in with either your Apple, Google, Facebook, or Gmail account. Then, you'll be prompted to a service selection page, where the average rate for each service available would be mentioned. Choose the services that you believe you can fulfill at ease and click on Save and Continue. Once you're done with that, it's time to set up your profile with basic details like your introduction, phone numbers, and photos. You'll be asked to take a quick quiz, as well as to provide some background information about yourself, which is necessary for owners to trust you with their pets. Now, you're good to go. Just connect your card to pay a $35 profile review fee, and within 5 days, you'll be approved to work on the platform. So how much can you expect to make? According to the platform, sitters can expect to make $1,000 a month, which equals to $12,000 annually. But that figure might also be an understatement, as the highest paid sitter, Jen Sung, made about $100,000 in a year with Rover. Pretty mind-blowing, right? However, in reality, you could be making more or less depending on the services you offer. Let's take dog walking as an example. The average rate on Rover for a 30-minute walk ranges anywhere from $20 to $50. Some walkers even ramp it up to a crazy $150. But we'll get to the downside of charging that high in a minute. First, you've made up your mind to give this a shot. So here are some Rover tips for you. Number 1, always communicate. When on duty, make sure to notify the pet owner about anything that seems strange, confusing, or unfamiliar to you. It's always better to communicate and let them decide how you need to handle a particular situation. For example, if the dog refuses to eat, ask the owner for an alternative, and be sure to ask about food allergies or intolerances first instead of experimenting with your own DIY meals. Number 2, set and stick to your availability. There isn't anything worse than turning down potentially long-term clients at times when you have posted availability. And the fact that sitters have the flexibility to choose their work hours is probably one of the best parts about the platform. To save time and effort is why clients are on Rover in the first place. So if you waste their time by canceling a last-minute booking or not responding on time, they'll hire and pay someone else to do the task. Number 3, charge well, but don't sacrifice repeat clients. If you charge a sky-high rate like $150 for 30 minutes of walk time, then the chance of you having repeated clients is, well, close to none. Unless it is someone super wealthy, for the average person, paying $150 every time to have their dog walked is unrealistic to expect. So try to strike a healthy balance between good income and repeat clients, which would range anywhere from $20 to $40 per walk. Well, who thought walking dogs could ever be a lucrative career? But here we are today in the world of the internet talking about making $1,000 per month for doing just that. Pretty insane, isn't it? Unfortunately, since YouTube is my home, I'm not allowed to keep pets here. So to make up for the missed opportunity, help out by pressing that subscribe button and liking this video. Anyways, that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one soon.